Okay, what's on the bench today? I saw this on eBay and it was for a good price. These test sockets for the curve tracers, the Tektronix curve tracers, are quite expensive, even to these days. And this one was $45, which I thought was a good price for what it is. And it says right down here, it says Tektronix, CBE, and it looks like all of the regular Tektronix posts and everything. And so I put it on my curve tracer. I was going to use it, and it didn't work. And I thought, well, that's kind of weird. And as it turns out, it says right there, collector base emitter, right? Collector base emitter. Well, the base and the collector are swapped. The wiring inside this thing, if you open it up, there's a whole bunch of wires in here, and it was built wrong, or the label's wrong, one of the two. So maybe it was why it's like completely unused. Maybe somebody tried it out and said, hey, this thing doesn't work, threw it in the trash. Anyway, I kind of like the label on it, so I'm just going to, instead of making a new label for it, I'm going to go ahead and swap the, they're just screwed in here with connectors. So I'm just going to reach in here and take this one out. This is for the base, which is wired up to the collector, which is kind of silly. So, and then the collectors here, these need to go, wait, was it the collector or the emitter? Oh, wait a minute. I think it's the base emitter that's swapped. Let me see here. Let's see, this goes to the bit, no, it's this one here. Yeah, these are wired up correctly. The two bottom ones are wired up correctly, yeah. Make sure I don't break it. Wow. Yeah, it's kind of silly. Anyway, I won't bore you with this, but I'm gonna flip it around and then we'll see if it works. All right, I think it's wired up right now. Let's do a continuity test on it. This should be collector. Let's see here. And this one should be base. This one should be emitter. Okay. So I think it's working now. So let's give it a try. All right, look at that. Hey, it looks like a diode there. What was the other thing I was trying to test? I was trying to test this one, which I suspect was a Zener. Let's put it in the box. And yep, starting to Zener there. Let's see here. Let's change this scale here. Yep, there's a Zener. All right, so that was a Zener diode. All right. Okay, well, kind of a strange repair. Seems like it was dead from the factory, or it had the wrong label or something. I don't know. It seems strange. I wanted to compare this to an actual Tektronix one. See if the molds are similar. Yeah, it looks like it's an official Tektronix made device. This is a diode tester here, but interesting. Well, there you go. Curiosity of the day.